Most people get this wrong. They assume bigger networks are always better, but the surprising truth is that Boost Mobile and Verizon cater to very different needs. Choosing the right one depends on coverage, pricing, and your priorities. Boost Mobile is a prepaid carrier using T-Mobile's network. You won't believe what happens next. It offers very affordable plans, starting as low as $15 per month, with unlimited talk, text, and data options. Its strength is cost-effectiveness and flexibility. No contracts, no credit checks. Verizon, on the other hand, is a postpaid carrier known for the most reliable nationwide coverage. If you travel often or live in rural areas, Verizon's 5G network and consistent speeds give it a clear advantage. Plans are more expensive, often $70 per month for a single line, but you get superior reliability and customer service. When comparing features, Boost Mobile includes perks like mobile hotspot data and some streaming services on select plans. Verizon offers advanced features like device protection, cloud storage, and international roaming, which can be essential for business users. The downside for Boost is limited coverage in rural areas and occasional slower speeds during peak times. Verizon's downside is the higher cost and less flexibility. You are often locked into contracts or auto-pay for discounts. In conclusion, if you want affordability and flexibility, Boost Mobile is the better choice. If coverage, speed, and premium features matter most, Verizon is worth the higher price. It all comes down to what matters most for your lifestyle. Subscribe for more honest mobile carrier comparisons to help you pick the plan that fits your needs.